I mean, it is what it is. Mother.
Much later.
Come on, kids. It's time to get back to the kitchen build. So, for those of you that don't know, Annie has arrived. Hence why we had to put this project on pause for a few more weeks. But, you know, she's about a month old now, which means it's time to get back to work. We do live in this house, and because of that, we're gonna have to work around some stuff. So, we are gonna pull the microwave and the oven out. We're gonna leave the fridge as long as we can. We need a sink and the dishwasher because of the baby stuff, and, you know, God forbid I stop eating. To do that, we're gonna start with taking out the uppers and then seeing what's under this bulkhead. The biggest hiccups that could happen are gonna be dependent on what's behind here. So we've emptied all the cabinets, now it's time to start pulling these things off the wall. You're doing great.
Is that like a drywall anchor?
Yeah, it's an anchor. Rook move here. Lowers, Jordan.
Yes, senor.
You don't typically want to attach down below. Say what we got about.
They're still kind of in it.
I am.
Oh, surprise, motherfuckers! It's church-like, because that shit's holy. No?
Jerks are bad and you should feel bad.
Wow.
He is a dad now, so you can make dad jokes.
I can.
That's fair.
Yeah.
It's scary up there.
A lot of real Jankosaurus stuff in here. These people are stupid. Why the hell would they do that?
At least we don't have to punch a hole to know what's in there.
Just stick your head up there. You get a little head.
There's a lot of plumbing.
Yeah, but that's way up there. In the worst case, we just shrink the bulkhead. We can pick up the ceiling. That's what we're doing. Hopefully we can pick it up over there, because that's just
Stupid.
all right. They had one screw. The outlet was holding the cabinet up. Gotta love America.
It's still gonna be wired in. though.
It sure as hell is gonna be wired in.
I don't know how to help.
It's in your mouth? Cool. We can't pull it down because we still got a wire coming into the back of that I was planning on pulling out. So, do we have any of our electrical tools that can tell us when this is off? Or Sam, look in the box. That might have its own line because this is a Romex cable, which means it's new. We were like, yeah, we gotta move the stove so we don't ruin it.
None of this is labeled properly.
Does anything say microwave?
Sure does. 19. Hold on.
Flick her off. Come on up with that jangle bangle.
Give her a lick.
Let me shove her in the hole. She's out. This is what we planned on doing. Oh, f***ing cabinet fell down. These idiots didn't put any collets on there. Pull it off.
Alright, you should be able to come off that now.
Let's go straight into the trash with it, Jordan. You got it?
Good stuff in there. You sure you don't want to go through it?
Trash is right there. That's the smartest thing you've done all day, Sam.
And just like that.
So, all the uppers came out. We're gonna get a flashlight and show you guys what's going on up here. It looks like what Sam and I expected. Diabetes. But for the most part, all the plumbing and such, this is for the bathroom upstairs. We have access to a closet, so we can take the ceiling up. Essentially, what we're gonna do is come in here and we'll just take this drywall off and knock down these 2x4s. We should be good to go. I'm glad I don't see like water or anything either. What's crazy is like this indent here. What the f was that? Absolutely terrible patch.
This is actually a nice crown. Oh, there's the diabetes. Oh, that's probably mold. Or just like steam from the oven getting under there.
It's not black at least. It's not good though.
I'm not gonna lick it. That's what you're saying.
Damn stitches.
Man, isn't it nice when people do things right?
Sure it is.
Sam just did it better.
I intentionally broke that so it didn't smack down.
What do you like, care about your appliances?
Do. It's time to smash a hole.
That is not a great idea.
This isn't good. Not sparks, built it. Anyway, this hurt Sam's ear. This could potentially be headaches because we have no idea what's in it. We have no idea why they built it. It literally made the room like 1.5 feet shorter. So let's poke some holes, see what's going on. Here looks good. Nothing's biting it, nothing's eating it. Okay. Why is it drywall on both sides? What the? Why is this isn't good? This should not be like this.
You want to switch jobs for the day?
There's a cable there.
What's up?
There's there's lath and plaster in there, damn it. And then the old ceiling trim, it looks like this used to be a wall.
That's kind of nice. Put the light back on that. Some people would pay high money for that.
Older wiring. Over here, that staircase though, that's the landing right above us.
Right.
It's up to that level.
Reach out and touch me.
So, we could probably start parts out. New subscribers, you're going in the hole. You're going in the hole.
Keep whatever you guys find in there.
I gotta get gloves. If you guys didn't witness me basically cut my hand off in last week's video, I can't go gloveless anymore. It's the end of an era.
I'm Jordan Hyder, and this is bulkhead removal. All right, cut some stuff. Man, son, Jordan wasn't built for remodeling.
The boys are crushing it in there, but we've got no kitchen, and I would probably think that they're starving. It means it's time to fire up the griddle. Let's go. Oh yeah. All right, boys. Remember, feed the muscles, kids.
Well, we've reached full dust to beat us in here. There's a wall, and then there's another wall, and then there's some janky old wiring in there. So I'm trying to get everything removed around it, except the janky wiring, until we can get our buddy, who's an electrician, to come take a look at it.
When it comes to wires, call the pros.
Other than that, we'll keep cutting here. We'll cut all the way around it. Floor needs brought up still. Trim that needs ripped off. There's a lot of hammering left.
Stop! Hammer time!
Captain, my captain.
Captain Sam, John is useless.
That's true. We chopped out some wires. We didn't show you because it'd be a bad influence to encourage you guys to do
Yes,
such.
do not do your own electrical, you savages.
Call one of your electrician friends. But now we've confirmed that the electricity is gone. Let's cut some shit out of the wall.
So, safety first. This has become completely jankified. We need support here, and we thought this was cantilevered and done differently. They ended up running it into this 2x8 that they've got here, and these are actually just floating on top plates. They're not proper. So we're gonna temp this corner back up for the night, come up with a game plan in the morning, and then get back at it. I don't want my fat ass walking up the stairs and having this thing falling on my head. Me falling through the floor, that would suck. Damn.
We're back, day 2 of the kitchen. Last night, before we left, we ran into some squirreliness over here. We temporarily supported the steps because they were not properly supported. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to put this bulkhead back in up here. We'll still be able to take out this one here, and we're gonna be able to raise that bulkhead. It's still worth doing. Jordan, have you ever done any of this kind of stuff? Cool. If you don't know what you're doing, find somebody that does. We went to the Home Depot, we bought drywall, it's probably, I mean, what did we pay, $10 a 2x4? We got 10 footers, but they were like 10 bucks, $1 a foot, come on. So a small mortgage later, we finally have all the materials we need. John's not here. Once again, we're building this house without him. Please don't hit that. All right, let's get into this. Here, Ben, you can have that. Thank you. So we got this side all cleared out on over here. Now this cabinet's in the way. We were trying to leave them as long as we could, just so we'd have a work surface. But we've gotten to that point where we've got to take them out. Unfortunately, the dishwasher's in the way, so Jordan and I are disconnecting that real quick. We'll push up that thing out of the way. Then I'm gonna cut this cabinet out. We'll probably just cut the countertop and leave the sink and everything until we get to that point. And then we gotta do what we did over here, this wall. It's not even lunchtime and I'm disgusting, sweaty, starving. This is how these things go, you know? This had a single screw hole. Oh, no, there was another one.
There's a
disposal.
Maybe I can disconnect it here. You see where it goes from there?
Yeah.
Does that pop off?
It goes up and down.
Give me that Knipex, actually. I don't know what I need. Just got fucking water everywhere. Actually, you got like a little bucket, a little cup, something. All right, we're stupid. My thumb's currently plugging all the water in the dishwasher. I can't move. There's also electrical lines here, so, you know, hey.
Where do you want to plug it?
Let's get that guy in it. Real funny, that guy. And that is how to f up John's house.
I think I got slightly aroused when I hit that.
You were hell, brother.
It is time to remove the sink and then start popping this floor off and hope that the damn roof and staircase don't fall down on top of us. We're almost wrapped with demo. Let's go. So our water lines come out of the floor because for whatever reason, and they actually, you can tell they plumbed inside the cabinet after the water lines were pulled through because we have this horizontal piece that goes to the water line that feeds the dishwasher. It's not the wrong way to do it or anything, it just makes removal a little bit of a pain. We can pull the cabinet off, we just cut a hole in the bottom of it, we'll pop it up, and then we'll clean everything up there. The cabinet we built, we'll take some measurements and cut a nice square kind of in the bottom, and then we'll make a plate that goes over top of it or something to make sure no debris or anything gets down into it. If you're removing cabinets, just pay attention to the plumbing. Last thing you want to do is have to bring a plumber in because you busted some shit up because you got squirrely.
Shitter was full!
Oh, dude. All right, 1, 2, 3. Jordan, did you build these cabinets?
No, because there's no hole through the front drawer face.
True. Yeah.
We can fix that.
Jordan, grab your jigsaw. Cut that. Yeah, cut it. Get as far back as you can, smack. Sun never sets on a badass. Okay, I'm just gonna protect myself while Sam takes out his temp wall. Let's go. Pizza, anyone? Boob sweat season's back. You know what would have been great for this? The paddle bit I requested.
I think you're going.
They're like 150 bucks.
Do you see how much sweat this man?
There's 4 of us trying to do this.
You know what an hour of all of our labor's worth?
It's like a gym membership.
Not a gym membership. The reason I don't have a gym membership. Oh, wouldn't go in there. And because of that, I think we're gonna wrap this one. Demo's pretty much completely done. We've got a few things to button up around here before we can start laying sheetrock back up. Got some trade professionals coming in because I don't wanna do any of the electrical in here. So we're gonna get all the wiring done. Next video, we're gonna slap up some drywall, do some flooring, and then hopefully get back to having some semblance of a kitchen pretty soon because I'm starving. And if I have to order another damn pizza, I'm going to explode from type 2. Be sure to subscribe. You don't wanna miss it.